I'm John Hefner with Elwood High Performance Motors. I'm Vice President, General Manager. We provide rugged, long-term solutions for motion control in harsh environments. We really cover a broad segment of industry. I mean, it includes petrochemical, automotive, tire, pharmaceutical, food and beverage, stamping, press transfer, forestry products. There are others too. We're best known for motion control solutions for hazardous locations, or sometimes that's called explosion-proof environments. Beyond that, we offer long-term legacy support for some of Rockwell's older motor series and cable sets. And now we're offering modifications to MP series servo motors. And that's specifically for environments where there's high shock and vibration, or where the conditions exceed the original specifications. Well, customers come to Elwood not just for our long history of success in tough environments, but for our competent support. Our team of engineers will work and walk through a process with a customer until they're ultimately satisfied and up and running. We've been a partner with Rockwell since 2008. Over that, we've gained a lot of experience with legacy products, but also it's taught us how to provide pragmatic solutions for real world environments.